So we're getting the transducer mounted on the back here on the stern. So I've got a plate, took the 2 bolts off, and I'm gonna pull this bar that my transducer runs down on, put the new transducer on it, and then hopefully we'll be good to go with that. Then I'm gonna finish. I mean, I'm getting close. They're just waiting on parts. Pretty wild. So we'll catch you back when I get this done. Shit. Fuck me. So just dropped a screw. That's my life. Dadgummit. Alright guys, we got our transducer on its mount. It's in the water and the mount is attached to the boat. So we got one more zip tie left. That plate's put back on. There's our transducer. Pull the old wire out and then we're all done. Come back here. Let's try her out. There we go guys, it's all working. I'll put in this perspective how where we're going. So we're right here still zooming out. Still zooming out. This boat is going. All through here. Pretty cool. Thumbs up. Pretty successful day. Got everything fixed up and we're getting closer and closer to the time when it's time to take off. So excited. So I thought the day was gonna be over and I got it back to the boat. Wasn't as tired as I thought I was. Got a little inspiration. So I'm gonna cut this piece of plastic, get my tool hold all set up, so that my tools have a place to go and they're not just thrown everywhere. So yeah, I'm about to do that. We'll check back in once I've got the ridge cut and all the tools fit in. A little hot in here because I don't have the AC in here right now. Still working on it, but this is what it looks like right now. Got that all in there, so yeah, about to stick tools in here. I feel like I have to be honest because this is so crazy, but this is what a boat looks like preparing to leave for the Bahamas. Just a mess.